after when information, both the DPP and ourselves got information that he had applied for bail in respect of the charges that were already been preferred, and yet we were working on other charges. It was the consensus that we arrest him, first of all, to be sure in respect of what charges is this bail being granted. Now, number two, because we have got new charges which are obviously going to be preferred against him. Investigation is an ongoing process. I mean, you should have the confidence in us that whatever we are doing it so professionally. And you see, I wish the issue was that we are acting outside the law. That's the only justifiable criticism anybody can make against the police. As long as I'm acting within the law and I'm doing what I believe is right and professional, I have no time to be, because you see, in this the kind of work we do, you are condemned when you do, you are condemned when you don't. To say that we have made it a habit, look, it is an accepted practice in investigations and prosecution that a suspect can at any one time be arrested after they have been given bail. It's not something that we are creating ourselves. It has been there. It's there and it will continue being there.